copy your affiliate link, paste it on this website and start getting free traffic. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a beginner, you need to watch this video because I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways of doing affiliate marketing. And yes, it is free. So even if you are absolute beginner, if you never done anything like this in your life, you will know how to do this. And also I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. And also I'm going to show you how you can increase your conversion rate, which will boost your earnings. And yes, it is available worldwide. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. That is really important. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche. Weight loss is hot and it will always be a hot niche. Next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use Digital24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But because we are talking about ClickBank affiliate marketing, I will go on ClickBank Marketplace and I need to scroll here and I need to click on health and fitness. And I'm going to sort this by gravity. And I'm going to scroll here and click must have affiliate tools page. And you need to research all of these products. That is where most people make mistake, especially beginners. They simply start promoting products without any research. You need to research these products because you wish to promote only a good products, because otherwise you won't make any sales, you won't make any money. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Here you can see I can make $52 on average per sale. Gravity is 195. And I need to open their affiliate tools page in new tab and you will see later why. So this is their affiliate tools page and here you can see all the tools that they are giving you in order to promote their product. And like I said, later you will see why we need their affiliate tools page. By the way guys, I am giving away Top Affiliate Tactics ebook totally free. I will leave you link in description so you can get your copy. So now when we have our product, now we need to start promoting this product. And for that we are going to use a website called Simple Traffic. And some people say that these guys are using bots, they are not sending real traffic, they are not sending real people. But that doesn't matter because as you can see here, you can get 2,500 free visitors. And if you make just one sale, you will make $52 per sale. And if you don't make any sales, doesn't matter because you got 2,500 free visits. So it will cost you nothing. So what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on Start Now. And first thing you need to do, you need to add a URL and that is your ClickBank affiliate link. So what you need to do, you need to go back on ClickBank and you need to click here on Promote. And you need to click here on Generate Hook Links. And click here to copy this. Let me just close this. Go back on Simple Traffic and paste your ClickBank affiliate link here. You need to add your email, you need to add your first name, your last name. And this is important, location targeting. And that is why we need their affiliate tools page. So go back on their affiliate tools page and when you scroll here, here you can see countries. Here you can see where most of their buyers are coming from. Most of their buyers are coming from United States, Canada, United Kingdom, South Africa, Australia and New Zealand. So that means that we need to target one of these countries. So I will go back on Simple Traffic and instead of worldwide, I will choose, let's say, United States. And you can either scroll or you can simply type here. So let's say United, let me just States, okay, United States. And devices, I will keep all devices. And here you can see plan, 500 visitors per day, $15. So that doesn't matter because we include a free trial. So we will get 500 visitors every day in next 5 days. That is 2,500 free visits. Totally free. And if you make sales, then you can continue paying them for this traffic, for the traffic that they will send you. And this is really important. Goal won't affect traffic. So click here, pick one. And because we are talking about ClickBank affiliate marketing, we need to choose get more affiliate sales. That is really important. And here you can see include free trial. And that is what I said here, 500 free visits every day in next 5 days. And this you need to click here on agree to the terms of condition and then click here create subscription. And you will need to connect your PayPal account. And that is what I don't like, because if I don't like their service, then I need to go and manually cancel my subscription. But like I said, just connect your PayPal and see if you get any results. And if you get any results, then just continue paying them for the traffic. And after you connect your PayPal, this will be your dashboard. And this is my campaign. And as you can see here, active trial. So here price is $15, but like I said, this is an active trial. And that means that they will start charging me these $15 after 5 days. And when I click here, I can see more details about my campaign. And here you can see they automatically pulled screenshot of the sales page of the custom keto diet. And here you can see more data, and as you can see I already got 4 visits from United States, and that is because I just created this campaign, and that is why there is no more data about this campaign. But there is actually a way to increase your conversion, and that is by sending people to a funnel, and that funnel will filter those people and increase your conversion rate. And to make these funnels and to make these landing pages for free, you can use Google Sites. If you have Gmail account, you have Google Sites. And what you need to do, you need to click here on this plus to create your simple Google website. In a few of my previous videos, I already showed you how you can create these sites in just 5 minutes. And this is the website that I created for this campaign. As you can see here, Keto Diet Meal Plan. That is closely related to custom keto diet plan. Okay? And that is a simple, clean and simple title. And I opened the article with eye-catchy and simple and clean photo, as you can see here. And here I actually gave them value, as you can see here. And I also gave them a simple keto diet menu. And here more value. I explained what keto meal plan is, and this is most important. Here you can see by far biggest letters, blue letters on white background that says get your custom keto diet plan. That is important. Get your. That is really important. And that will catch their eye. And when they click here, let me just click here, they will go on custom keto diet plan sales page, as you can see here. And then, because this is about meal plan, keto meal plan, they will come here and take a quiz that will help them to create their own custom keto diet plan just for them. And that is why conversion rate will be higher. And after you create your Google site, you need to copy the URL of that Google site, Ctrl+C, go back on simple traffic, and then click here on change URL. And replace your affiliate link, ClickBank affiliate link, with the link to your Google site. And then click here on save, and simple traffic will start sending traffic to your Google site instead of sending traffic to directly to your affiliate link to the sales page of that product. And that will increase conversion rate because, like I said, those people will actually go through the funnel. And if you are a beginner, this is by far simplest way to do affiliate marketing, because other free methods take lots of time, lots of work, lots of knowledge. You need to know lots of stuff. You need to know how to do lots of stuff. With this method, you don't need website, you don't need to send any traffic. These guys will do everything for you. And if you make any sales, good, continue paying them for their traffic. If don't, then simply go and cancel your subscription. And like I said, it will cost you nothing to test this method, and if you don't like it, then simply don't forget to cancel your subscription. And that is what many people do. They forget to cancel their subscription. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner without website by driving free targeted traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.